Hello guys and welcome back on my channel. On this episode I want to show you my next project, and as always I am angry because always something must happen. I will show you. So this is my next project, one of the next projects. This Ducati SuperSport 2019 I think. Basically overall it looks very nice. Some small scratches here and there, but this is not a problem from this side, and everything looks fine. This is not a problem to fix, but look what happened. Beautiful oil leak, and when I bought this motorcycle everything was fine. Motorcycle come from US to Germany. The transportation company made pictures, and there everything was fine, and the motorcycle finally come to me, and on the way this stuff happened. So now I will find the reason of it, because someone need to pay it for it. I don't know what happened, if the engine is cracked or what, I don't know. I am angry and upset. Okay guys, so I know what has happened. I know what's the reason of it, of this oil leak. I think this is nobody's fault. Believe me, 20 years in the business, and that kind of situation I have first time. Money. First time I have that kind of situation. So now, what's the plan? I will take the seat off. What I want to do? Seats off. Hop. I will unscrew those two firings. I will hang the motorcycle. Then the access will be better. So time to do this. Okay, done guys. Motor is secured. It's hanging. And what's happened? I will show you. Here is the not footrest, but this thing that you put motorcycle on the ground. You see, it's loose. Here is a bolt. I don't know why there is no bolt, and this thing hits engine cover. And here is a hole, and that's why oil is leaking. So now I will unscrew here everything. Okay, so guys, I have better access now, and I think, yeah, this is the entire engine cover. Fuck. Okay guys, so I will do this off the camera because this is a lot of bolt unscrewing, so I will show you in a moment the end result. You see, here's supposed to be a bolt. I don't know why the bolt wasn't screwed here, and this thing was loose and hitting all the time the engine cover here. You see, hitting, and nice big hole, and that's why the oil was leaking. Nobody faults. I don't know why someone unscrewed this bolt. I don't understand that, but shit happened all the time. Alrighty guys, so I have this engine cover back. It's welded very nice. I will apply here black silicone, temperature resistant, and I will leave it overnight for curing, and this will be it.
moment of truth. I have the oil here. I put a fluid to radiator. Is on the way. The oil that I'm using is 15W50. I need to add 3 bottles and we will see. Alrighty guys, so I have the bad boy in my workshop. And what's the situation? That thing won't start! So this thing won't start. I am charging the battery. Battery is charging, I think it's charged, but what's the plan for now? Anyway, I have to unscrew everything to start the repair, and in the meantime I will check what's wrong, because I launched the motorcycle and it ran for few seconds, 20 seconds maybe, and it died and at this moment won't start anymore. So I have to check fuel, I have to check spark plugs. So enough talking, let's start working. I need to unscrew the front firing, the right firing, and I will check the spark plugs. Okay guys, so as you can see I have almost the entire motorcycle unscrewed. Everything I need to repair is, disassembled from the motorcycle. And now I will try to find the issue why the motorcycle doesn't start. So now I will check the spark plugs, because I think that's the reason why the motorcycle won't start. And what I found, here is some kind of, hard to see, here is a hose, small hose. And this hose is not, you see, should be connected to this. This is some kind of pressure hose, so I need to connect also this hose to the filter box cover. I think this also could be a reason why the motorcycle won't start, because there is no pressure in the system. But first I need to check the spark plugs. So ignition coil off. Wrench. I release the spark plug. Hop. And look. Doesn't look bad. Guys, now I will show you what was in the fuel tank, because I know and you don't know. You still don't know what was in the fuel tank. Now I will show you. So as you can see guys, that's why the motorcycle doesn't start. So I think this is good fuel, and you see dirt, and here is a fuel, but this is all water, I think. Oh, so now I have to exchange the get rid of the water from the fuel injectors. So I have to unscrew everything here and clean the water, clean the fuel injectors. So as you can see guys, on the attached video, there is water in the fuel system, and that's why the motorcycle won't start, because the spark plugs are okay. There is a good spark. Next step, I was checking the fuel, and I check it with as you can saw with the fire, and nothing ignite. So 100% there is a water, and that's why motorcycle won't start. So now I have to get rid of the water from the injector, the entire system, and apply a fresh fuel, and Ducati should start. So guys, at this moment I am ending this video. Hope you like that kind of movie. The next step will be painting the Ducati. I need to order the needed parts, and after that I will be assembling the motorcycle. So, and as always, thank you for watching, and see you all to the next time. Bye!